Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a grid in Picsart. First, launch the Picsart application on your device. Then, tap the plus icon at the bottom to start a new project. Navigate to the Collage section and select Grids to explore various layout options. Choose a grid that fits your vision, and then add your desired photos into the empty cells with ease. Once your photos are in place, you can customize the grid's appearance. Adjust the border thickness from 0 to 20 pixels and pick any color from the palette. You can also change the overall aspect ratio of your collage, like 1:1 for Instagram. Easily swap photos by dragging them to new cells and apply unique filters to each image for a personalized touch. For more advanced designs, explore the layout options, which offer hundreds of unique grid patterns. You can also add text overlays, choosing from dozens of fonts and colors, or incorporate fun stickers to enhance your creation. Experiment with blending modes if you want to combine images within one cell. When satisfied, save your masterpiece in high resolution, typically up to 4,000 pixels. To achieve the best results, always start with high-resolution photos. Try to maintain a consistent visual theme or color palette across your grid for a cohesive look. Don't be afraid to experiment with various grid layouts and border styles. Picsart offers many options. Always take a moment to review your entire collage before saving to ensure everything is perfect and aligned.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.